Hey there, what's up guys? In this video we'll see the rules for writing identifiers with examples. So the first rule says that allowed characters are from A to Z in uppercase as well as lowercase. Characters from 0 to 9 all are valid, and an underscore. Except underscore, no special character is allowed. Secondly, first character may start with underscore. There is no limit for the length of the identifier, means our identifier can be of any length. Also, these are case sensitive, means uppercase A is different from lowercase a. Okay, and the characters which are not allowed are the first character of identifier should not be numeric. Keywords or reserve words, these are not allowed, and space is not allowed. Now let's see example of each. In our one basics folder, we'll create a new file, save it, f.py, and according to our first rule, allowed characters are uppercase A to uppercase Z, lowercase a to lowercase z, 0 to 9, and an underscore. So let's see example. Age 32, lowercase age 15, and age 23. We can also write age of student 1. This identifier includes underscore. We can also start with underscore age 20. Okay, so let's print each of them. So let's save and let's run our example. So f.py 32, 15, 23, 18. Okay, now this is here. So what was our next? Character may start with underscore. We have done for this. No limit for the length. We have seen this is large, but this is not too large. So let's make another example. March. Let's say this is our identifier. I'll give this a boolean value true, and let's print this value. Let's run this example, f.py, and look, true. No error is coming. Okay, in some languages we have this concept of length of the identifier, but in Python we don't have such rule. So next, these are case sensitive. We have seen that case sensitive. Okay, let me give you another example. If we have e, lowercase e with value true, and an uppercase e with value false, and let me turn off all these statements. It reduces some noise in the output. So print e and uppercase e. Okay, so running f.py, look, these two e's are different, means uppercase is different from lowercase in Python. Okay, and the interpreter can differentiate between both of these. Let's see our next example. So let's make new file, g.py, identifiers not allowed. Okay, first character should not be numeric, keywords are not allowed, and space is not allowed. So we'll see all these. Let's write first character as numeric, 1 age 21. Okay, and print 1 age. This should give us error. Now let's see, invalid syntax. Okay, this is giving us invalid syntax error. So this is not allowed. Okay, so apart from variables, we also have function name as identifier. So let's see different function name to add. Suppose we are making a function of adding two numbers. So a and b, print a plus b, and now calling add method 12 and 13 g.py. It is giving us syntax error, invalid token. Okay, and if we remove this 2 from here, then let's see what happens. G.py 25. Okay, so first character should not be numeric. Okay, you can write here. So next was keywords not allowed. What were the keywords we have seen? Let's run example b.py to see the list of keywords. Now let's pick a keyword, say with. Okay, so with me and you, this is a string. Okay, we'll see all the data types in detail. Then print with. This should give error because this is a reserved word and we can't use reserved word as an identifier. So g.py giving invalid syntax. Okay, because with has another purpose, it can't be used as identifier. Third was space is not allowed. So name, age. Name is John, age is 13, and print name, age. Okay, so this will also give us error. G.py invalid syntax. What? I'm sorry. Let me close this example. Otherwise it will give us previous errors. Okay, so now everything is okay in our file. CLS g.py. So syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, so we have seen all the rules for writing the identifiers. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.